So, we're broke down on the side of the road in a $500 Facebook Marketplace Mustang, and here's why. We got to answer the age-old question that every car guy wants to know. Will it do a burnout? Let's find out. Yeah, it'll do a burnout. Cavalry's here. What's up, guys? This is Todd with Velocity Restorations. We know what you're thinking. What are these guys doing with a Fox Body Mustang? Yeah, that's a fair question. So a bunch of you have asked, and we've listened. We're going to show you what it takes to build a car like this, the Velocity way. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow us, because we're going to go through a full build series, draw back the curtains, and show you exactly what it takes to build a car of this nature. From blown up to full-blown hot rod. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.